Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to share something that could completely change the way you look at trading. If you've been struggling with inconsistent signals, repainting indicators, and missed opportunities in the Forex market, then listen closely. Today we're diving into something that goes beyond ordinary indicators. It's called the Neuro Sentra AI Trading System, and it's one of the most advanced Forex tools I've ever come across. Now, I know there's a lot of hype in the trading world. So many systems promise the moon but barely deliver anything consistent. But what grabbed my attention with Neuro Sentra is how it uses institutional-grade neural network technology to give retail traders a serious edge. This isn't just another indicator. It's a fully integrated trading intelligence system that helps you make smarter decisions by giving you reliable, real-time signals without the guesswork. When you load Neuro Sentra onto your chart, the first thing you'll notice is how clean and straightforward it looks. You get clear blue and orange arrows right on your chart that show you exactly when to buy and when to sell. These signals don't repaint. That means once a signal appears, it's locked in. No backtracking, no second guessing. This feature alone eliminates a major problem that many traders deal with every day. And it gets better. Neuro Sentra isn't just about visuals. It's powered by a deep neural core that processes live market data from dozens of sources in real time. It scans for over 100 technical indicators simultaneously, analyzing price action, volume, volatility, and market structure. That kind of data processing power is usually reserved for institutional trading desks, not regular retail platforms. But with Neuro Sentra, all of that is built in. Whether you're into scalping on the 1-minute chart or holding positions for days or weeks, Neuro Sentra adapts to your trading style. It works on every time frame, from minute 1 all the way to monthly, and supports over 30 major, minor, and exotic currency pairs. That's a huge deal if you like to explore different pairs or shift your strategy depending on market conditions. One of my favorite things about this system is the risk control. Neuro Sentra has 5 built-in risk levels that let you choose how aggressive or conservative you want your trading to be. If you're just getting started or prefer a low-risk style, you can set it to conservative. But if you're chasing big moves and have a solid handle on managing trades, the aggressive setting gives you higher frequency signals during strong market trends. And let's talk about alerts. Neuro Sentra keeps you in the loop at all times. You'll get real-time pop-ups on your MetaTrader platform, plus optional email alerts and mobile push notifications. No matter where you are, you won't miss a high-probability setup. You can even customize the alert sounds to make them more noticeable depending on your environment. I also appreciate how easy it is to install and use. The setup process takes just a couple of minutes. You simply drag and drop the files into MetaTrader 4 or 5, and that's it. There's a full setup guide included, plus step-by-step video tutorials. Even if you've never installed a custom indicator before, you'll be up and running in no time. Another thing worth mentioning is the bonus you get when you pick up Neuro Sentra. They include a professional swing trading system called E-Swing Jackhammer, which is designed for capturing multi-day trends with precise entry and exit alerts. It's a great addition if you're looking to expand your toolkit and catch longer-term moves with confidence. Right now, there are over 15,000 traders using Neuro Sentra worldwide, and the feedback has been incredibly positive. People are seeing more consistent results, more confidence in their entries, and less emotional stress when managing trades. That's what happens when you trade with a system that combines neural intelligence, real-time alerts, and adaptive strategies. If you've been on the fence about using AI in your trading, this might be the right place to start. Neuro Sentra is designed to level the playing field, giving you access to the kind of technology that used to be reserved for institutions. It's clear, fast, and built for real-world results. So if you're ready to stop second-guessing your trades and start using data-driven insights that actually work, check out Neuro Sentra. I'll leave more info in the description below. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried it, or are you planning to? As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.